In this video, we build a complete, working AI chat application without writing a single line of code ourselves using Google's Gemini and Google AI Studio. Let's see how it works. We begin in Gemini. Instead of jumping straight into code, we first describe the product we want to build. Gemini takes that idea and expands it into a full product requirement document, a detailed specification that lists the project's goals, its architecture, and every core feature. This document becomes the blueprint for the entire app. Next, we move over to Google AI Studio. This is Google's environment for turning ideas into real, runnable apps. We attach the product requirement document we just created, choose the Gemini model, and give it one simple instruction: make this complete project. From here, Gemini does the heavy lifting. Now AI Studio gets to work. It reads the entire specification and starts generating the application, file by file. You can see it building the project structure, the components, the server logic, and the type definitions, while it shows helpful tips during the wait. What would normally take a developer several days is happening automatically in just a few minutes. And here is the result, a fully structured code base. Gemini has written a real React and TypeScript project, complete with separate components for the header, the chat input, and each message, along with the server-side streaming logic. This is production-style code, not just a rough template. With the app working, we refine how it looks. We simply ask for a sophisticated, dark, glassmorphic design theme, and AI Studio restyles the entire interface, updating the typography, the colors, and the layout across every component at once, just from a plain English request. Finally, the finished application, Aurelian Nova. It's a polished, real-time chat companion, and it actually works. It streams answers as they are generated, and it renders code and mathematical formulas cleanly. Watch it handle very different questions: a full network diagnostics report in Python, Newton's law of universal gravitation with proper equations, and step-by-step mathematics, all inside one elegant, dark-themed interface. From a single idea to a complete product specification to a fully coded and running application, that is the power of building with Google AI.